At an average height of only 4 to 4.5 feet and weighing approximately 100 pounds, the pale-skinned race of elves who live deep, deep underground are the topic of this video. Hidden away from the world for centuries, the Hestitas are suspicious to all outsiders and still fear the retribution of the Sylvanesti people, hoping to remain hidden for all time from the surface dwellers. So welcome back to my channel, travelers, and let's explore one of the lesser known elven races on the continent of Ansalon. Now, the Hest are a branch of elves that hailed originally from Sylvanesti and branched off during the Age of Dreams. Now, as the Kinslayer Wars were happening, an elven general named Hest Elves was imprisoned after committing treacherous acts against the Sylvanesti elves. However, some of his loyal supporters managed to free him from imprisonment and return the general to his fortress town of Bordon Hest. After this, the Speaker of the Stars, Sethus, would not let this treacherous general go unpunished and sent his army to lay siege to the town, bringing the general back to stand trial and ordered the soldiers to kill all of his supporters. So with the aid of the mage Vedvedsika, a great rent was opened in the earth beneath the town, allowing all of the inhabitants to escape their faith and move underground to free themselves from the nation of Sethus and his army. After they all managed to escape to safety, the mage then brought down the city around them, blocking the entrance into the underground tunnels, saving them all. And in the caverns under the earth, the elves dug out their own settlements and became known as the Hest, in honor of the general who led them. Now the Hest live under a basic house system. Upon reaching adulthood, every Hest is tested and determined his role in society. Those who prove strong and agile are inducted into the Hall of Arms. There they are turned into soldiers and fighters, protectors of the Hest. Yet those who prove their intelligence and their magical talent are welcome into the Hall of Light, the house of the sorcerers and wizards. And those unfortunate enough not to be accepted into either of the houses remain as diggers and servants to both of the houses of the sorcerers and the soldiers. Now originally, the leaders were the ancestors of Hest Elves, who were guided through the magical council by the sorcerers of the House of Light. However, constant infighting between the two great houses led eventually to the House of Light winning control over the Hest and ruling the elves for a long period of time. But eventually the Hall of Arms managed to wrestle back control, and they are leading their people once again. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.